Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to link our JavaScript code with our HTML. There are two ways of doing this. We will see both of them and select the best one, which we will be using for the development purpose. So I am in my VS Code. You can use any other code editor of your choice. If you want to use Visual Studio Code and haven't installed on your machine, you can watch our video on our channel for the installation of Visual Studio Code. So I will go to File Explorer. In that File Explorer, I will just click on Open Folder. In this, I will select my JavaScript tutorial folder and open it my Visual Studio Code. So you can see my JavaScript tutorial folder has been opened in the Visual Studio Code. I will just click on New File. In that, I will create one new file named as index.html. So a new file is created named as index.html. In this file, I will just type HTML. As soon as I type HTML, the three options are displayed on the screen. I will just click on HTML5. You can see the entire boilerplate of HTML5 has been inserted. So basically, this is the power of Visual Studio Code, which makes our work more and more easier. So we will be using Visual Studio Code for all our development purposes. Now inside the body tag, I will just create one h1 tag, and inside the h1 tag, I will write welcome to Codarc. So I will just save my file. You can save your file by clicking on file and clicking on save, or you can use shortcut keys such as Ctrl plus S on Windows and Command plus S for Mac and Linux users. So I will open this file in the browser. I will go to my files. In my JavaScript tutorial folder, I'll click on index.html. So this file has been opened in my browser. You can see welcome to Kodak has been displayed. Now, again in the Visual Studio Code, we will be writing our JavaScript code. So the question arises where to write our JavaScript code and how to write our JavaScript code. So inside the head tag, I will create one more tag named as script tag. In this tag, I will be writing our JavaScript code. Let's test our things by just writing one basic function called as alert. In that alert function, I will pass one string and say hello world. I will save my file and again go to the browser and reload my page. Here you can see an alert message saying hello world has been displayed. So when you click OK, our h1 tag has been displayed. So we have successfully linked our JavaScript code with our HTML code. But writing JavaScript code and HTML code in one file is not a good practice. It also creates more crowd in our code. So we will be writing JavaScript code in different files. So I will just remove this script tag. I will save my index.html. I will create a new file and name it as script.js. So a new file is created. I will write here a basic function called alert and will pass a string named as hello world. I will save my JavaScript file. So when I go to the browser and reload my page, you can see no alert message has been displayed because we haven't included our JavaScript file in the index.html file. So how to include that? So we will be writing our script tag again. So in this script tag, we will write one attribute called as source src, which will be equal to the relative path of the JavaScript file. Since index.html and script.js are in the same folder, we will just write script.js. So okay, I will now save my index.html and again go to the browser and reload my web page. You can see a message saying hello world has been displayed. But there is a problem in this case. We are not able to see our h1 tag. We cannot see a welcome to Coda, but we have written it on our index.html. So when I click OK, I can see my h1 tag welcome to Kodak. So basically our HTML interprets our code from top to bottom. So first it comes to this line and sees doc type is HTML. Then it comes to HTML tag. Then it comes to head tag. Inside the head tag, it comes to two meta tags. Then it comes to our title tag. Then it comes to our script tag. So before coming to body, it sees our script tag and runs our JavaScript code. After running our JavaScript code, it comes to our body tag and then sees welcome to Coda. So this is the reason we can see hello world alert before seeing our welcome to Coda H1 tag on our web page. So how to resolve this? Since we don't want our JavaScript code to run before our HTML loads. So we have to run our JavaScript code after the entire HTML content has been loaded on the web page. So instead of writing script tag inside the head tag, we can write our script tag inside the body tag at the end. So now I will save my index.html and will go to the browser and reload my page. You can see the welcome to Kodak message has been already displayed, and you can also see the alert message of hello world. So basically this is not a good practice of writing our script tag inside the body tag. We will also resolve this error further in our videos when we will see advanced JavaScript, DOM manipulation and jQuery. Okay, so that's it for this video. Do like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.